Chapter 62, verse 8. Trust Him at all times, O people. Pour out your heart before Him. God is a refuge for us. Session 5, Lamentation chapter 3, verse 25. The Lord is good to those who wait for Him, to the soul who seeks Him. Section 6. Psalm chapter 46. He say, be still and know Him, I am God. Section 7. Psalm chapter 62, verse 8. Trust in Him at all times, you people. Pour out your heart to Him, for God is our refuge. Session 8. Hebrews chapter 12, verse 1. So let us run the race that is before us and never give up. Session 9. Isaiah chapter 61, verse 10. The Lord makes me very happy, all that I am to possess in my God. Session 10. Romans chapter 15, verse 13. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in Him, so that you may overflow with